I'd like to introduce to you two wonderful people that I would like to bring to Woodford to share culture. And this is Isak Kruiper, and this is his wife, Lydia Kruiper. And we're sitting in the Kalahari at the moment in Andriesvale at their home. And we're just going to share a little bit of the things that Isak and Lydia could possibly share at Woodford as a representation of the culture that they stand with. So Isak, and I'm going to speak in Afrikaans and then I'll translate, yeah? So Isak, sê vir my, van watse mense kom jy?
Ja, my naam is Isak. Ek is op Bushmankind gebore.
So my name is Isak. I'm born a Bushman child.
Ja, ek het gebore in die Kalahari Transfrontier Park.
Born in the the Kalahari Transfrontier Park. Born inside the park.
Inside the park, that's it. Ek het daar gebore, groot geword. En nou is ek in die buitekant van die park waar ons op ons tradisionele gronde sit, wat ons ook gekry het van die regering.
So he's living now just outside the park in traditional lands that they've gotten back from the government.
Ja, en dis waar ons tradisie oefen.
And this is where the tradition is practiced now.
Exactly.
Ja.
En ook waar ons kinders leer hoe om te verstaan van die kultuur.
And teaching the children, you know, how to understand this culture and live with it. Lewe saam, né?
Lewe saam, ja.
Ja.
En dis wat ons dan ook sien hierso, wat die voor ons is. Dis wat ons die kinders leer en dis wat ons doen. So dis ons tradisionele handkraaf wat ons doen met hand.
So these are the traditional handcrafts made by hand, and this is what they're teaching the children as part of the culture. These are traditional ways of being, traditional creation through the practice of craft work.
En dis hoekom ek vir almal sal sê baie dankie om ook by die fees by te woon en kan kommunikeer met baie van die inheemse bevolking wat te samekom daar. En as 'n healer as ek baie geestelik baie sterk en dit kan ek deel.
Yeah. So Isak says thanks so much also at the festival, you know, holding space for people that are indigenous and share their knowledges. And Isak, as a healer, is very strong in spirit, and he would like to share that strength of spirit through the healing practices that he does at the festival.
Dankie.
Baie dankie.
Baie dankie.
And Isak can speak a little bit of English. I'm just helping out here. That's true, right? You can speak. And Isak has been to Spain and he's been to Panama doing healing work.
Yeah, exactly. Dankie.
Exactly. And so has his wife, Lydia. So,
my name is Lydia Kruiper, gebore in die Kalahari Transfrontier Park.
it's Lydia, born in the park.
Ek het gebore en groot geword in die park. En hier waar ek nou vandag sit ek op in die buitekant van die park. Die grond wat die regering vir ons gegee het. En dis waar ek my tradisie uitleef om kinders en jeugdiges die tradisie en die taal te bevorder.
And so just to top up, that's Lydia also grew up, or was born inside the Kalahari Park, but living just outside here now on the traditional lands, and using the time here on the country to teach, especially the children, these traditional ways, and also the language, so that these things can be known and held and passed on. Net so?
En dis hoe ons onze kinders sal leer. En dit wat hier so hier langs my lê, dis hoe ons die kinders leer. Dis hoe ons groot geword het. En dis ons leef hier uit. En want dit is ons tradisie, dit is waar ons uitleef om dit te doen, om kan te oorleef. Dis wat ons doen in die buitekant. Ja. En
Yeah, so teaching all the children his crafts and his traditional practices, it's, you know, what they do to keep the culture going and to survive this, you know, all the things that have happened, to be the survivors and to carry on these traditions and teach them to the upcoming generations. Yeah. And sê my, Lydia, wat is hierdie? What are these things, I'm asking?
Die is nou volstreeks eer.
Ostrich eggs.
Ja.
Yeah.
En die is nou van die gemsbokbeentjie.
It's a gemsbok little bone that's been burnt. It's gebrand, no?
Ja, en dan
Burnt
word
into.
die kunswerk op die beentjie uitgebrand.
Yeah, the
soos dit nou
artworks
hier is.
are burnt out.
Ja.
Yeah.
En van die is nou dit wat ek nou aansit soos die knoopjes en die
Yeah.
gaatjies.
And you make the buttons
Yeah.
with the holes.
En die bogie is die bogie wat ek hier gebruik by die boor. Want dis hoe ek die gaatjies inboor.
And that's what we use, what she uses to bore the holes in the shells, to make those holes of the buttons and of the beads. Yeah, with the little bow and this boring tool with a spike on the end to create these things. Yeah, just as they used to do in the old time.
Ja.
And sê my van die taal.
En
Speak of the language.
en dan doen ons veldskool om die kinders van medisyneplante te leer.
So we take the kids out bush to like bush school to teach them about medicine plants
En ons in spore
and tracks, because they're very famous trackers
en ou stories,
and old stories
ja, en danse
and dances.
en dis wat ons vir hulle leer in die veldskool.
And that's what we teach them in this like bush school.
Ja. En hoe om ook te oorleef
How to survive.
as jy in die natuur leef soos ek gebore en groot geword het. Toen ek het in natuur het ek gebore en groot geword.
Yeah, how to survive in nature, you know, without anything else. Because just like Lydia says that she was born in nature, she grew up in nature, only with nature.
En wat ek nog doen, en ek is die vroedouma van die jong dogters en groter vrouens wat nog babas kan kry. Ek is ook die ene hier by ons area wat ook help met om geboorte te gee en om na te sny. Dis my job.
So one big job for Lydia also is being like the matriarch, the person who helps, the grandmother, knowledge holder who helps with birth giving of all the babies, and with the young girls, teaching them and helping them through the process of giving birth, because that's one of her main jobs as well.
Ja.
En Lydia, wil jy graag 'n klein liedjie vir ons deel? Met ons deel? Sharing a song?
Ja, ek sal dit deel, die klein liedjie, maar aan die liedjie,
Ja.
dit is hoe ons die kinders in die taal leer tel. Jy kan tel van 5 tot 10 en jy kan dit sing tot 1 tot 10. So ek gaan begin.
Okay, so Lydia says she's going to sing a little song, and it's like this little song that they share with the children in how to count 1 to 10. Yeah, in Namatal,
Namatal, ja,
in the
taal.
language, Nama language. Yeah, and it's a way of keeping the language alive and teaching the children through song. So Lydia's going to sing for us.
Kui kam nona haka kurungani, kui kam nona haka kurungani, koronani, kuika ngona, haka koronani, ikisa kwesa jisi.
The oulik. That's it. Ja, baie dankie, né? Yeah, thank you so much. So this is just this little video to share with you from Isak and Lydia's home here in the Kalahari. The things that, all the beautiful wisdom and knowledge that has been part of this landscape and this culture for such a long time. Yeah.